everybody, it's Adele from Chalk to Crafts. If you want to stay on, I'm going to be inking a canvas little bag thingamajigger. I don't know what you call it, a little handbag. And it's kind of a push for me because I have not done a lot of inking on canvas. Oh, my hair's all wonky. So, good news. Tonight I went to bingo. Well, I did a couple things. Today I went and volunteered for the Lions Club. Hey Mia, where we, they have a group that comes in every, 3 or 4 times a year. So I volunteered there, and then I went and played bingo and won. So, woohoo, $90 richer. Me. Anyway, I'm going to be inking tonight, and it's not something I'm totally comfortable with, so it should be interesting. So we'll see how it goes. Worst thing that can happen is I screw it up and I learn something from it, right? And that's probably not a bad thing. Okay, here we go. Hey, Chrissy Lynn. And my sister Celia. Hello, everybody. I'm gonna get the camera in position. I'm trying a little different thing today. Let's see if it works. See what you can see. There we go. So I'm doing the transfer You've Got This, and I'm gonna do it upside down so you can see it, and I'm hoping it will fit. I'm gonna have a little bit, it's gonna be tight. I'm gonna have a little, well, it may work. I'm gonna have a little bump right there. Yeah, I'm right on the edge. This is really a tight fit. Thank you for liking and sharing my post. Hey, Cindy. I'm inking. I'm a little nervous. Any last minute tips before I jump off the edge? I haven't inked for a while. That's my thing. I have inked before on several things, but it's not something I do every day. I just like chalking better, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I just need more practice. I'm just gonna push that down really hard. Let's see if it adheres to that. I think Cindy's probably done one of these before. Cindy does a lot of ink stuff. Okay. Any tips? Last minute tips before I go down. I'm a little nervous. Oh, you can see all my junk over here. I was trying to figure out which one to do, and I decided to do this one. I was gonna do Well-Behaved Women, and maybe I'll do that still on the, maybe I'll do that on the other side of the bag. So anyway, I guess I should just go for it. Anybody have any tips? Don't screw it up. That's what my brothers would say. Yeah, don't screw it up. We have a bit of a sarcastic family sometimes. Let me just push down. I'm just worried about air bubbles. Oh, painter's tape. That's a good idea. I actually have some right here. I do like to go off the edges, so that's a good tip. Thank you, Christy Lynn. No air bubbles. I think it's on there pretty good. The biggest place I would have air bubbles would be probably right here with the got. Yeah, I'm not awesome. I'm nervous. I'm awesomely nervous. Yes, I agree with that one. I may tape the whole project because I'm just sort of sloppy. I don't know if that's the word for it, but I'm not as finicky as my mother or some of my sisters about things, I guess. I'm gonna just go right here. Ooh, maybe not. So how's everybody doing? Yeah, Christy Lynn and Mia, they're night owls. They can handle this. Let's see. Okay. I might even, and I put cardboard between here because I don't think I have an ink mat small enough for this. So I would tape to it because it's close to, yeah, I'm gonna tape to it, you betcha. Tiny bit of ink. I'm getting nervous, more nervous. And you work it in or you don't work it in. Yeah, I'll talk about you all the time, sister. Celia is the most artistic girl in our family for sure. My mother's was the artist, but Celia got all the artistic genes. Okay, what do you guys think? Yeah, I'm still nervous, Cindy. All right, that one little edge. Okay, so yeah, if you didn't hear, I won a bingo, so, you know, life's good. If I ruin it, I won $90, I can go buy another one. That's how I'm looking at it. Okay, should I, let's see. It doesn't matter, because this, yeah, see, right here, I'm worried about this dot. All right. Work fast, right? And start. I'm gonna just have to go like this. I don't have much room to play right there. Okay. Everybody cross your fingers, say a little prayer for me. Oh, now I see I wasn't listening to my sister very well. You get less ink on my thing here. I don't know. If it's bad, I'll just throw this away and delete the video. You never know what's gonna happen. Uh-oh, I missed the spot. One of these days I'm gonna tackle the skull thing that we got. I can't remember what they call it. It was put out sort of with the take my time. Yeah, I'm going faster than I probably should. I thought I heard someone say once, go quickly with ink, even though, I don't know. Yeah, it's a piece of cake. Oh, well, I guess I could send it to my sister. She always fixes everything. My mom used to be that way. Anytime I had anything wrong, my mom would fix it. She was a master at things. I don't know. Am I going over it too much? Sugar skull, that's what you did on a t-shirt. It was a riveting video. I was like watching every single layer going, oh my gosh. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Okay, so one thing I know about ink is you should wash your hands. Well, I didn't bring my water in here, so we're just gonna go for it. I think it's good. Maybe I'll peek first before I show it to you. Before I throw it into the garbage. Let's see. A canvas banner. Yeah, I have those. I still haven't done those. Okay. We'll see how this goes. This may determine my future in inking. So far it looks okay. I don't know, what do you guys think? Guess I should follow the thing on the saying, right? You got this, Adele. Oh my gosh, I'm so relieved. So there is a little oopsie right here where I didn't get any ink on the transfer. You can actually see, let me grab it. you can actually see on here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see it. No ink really went through that, so that's what happened there. I'm okay with that. That's awesome. If I can do this, anybody can do it. I swear, it's so awesome. Anyway, you heard how nervous I was 2 minutes ago, and now I'm like totally psyched. So, it's just a quick video tonight. I'm glad you guys are all watching. Please like and share. You know the deal. This is Adele from Chalk to Crafts. I can't believe it. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. I'm crazy. Anyway, I hope you guys are good. I hope you've recovered. Oh, I'm not worried about it. It's not a big deal. It's just a little blop. I'm going to I'm going to use my heat gun a little bit here while I'm getting ready to sign off. I'll just dry it a little bit, just so I make sure I don't bump it or something. I was really worried about this section here, and look how good that turned out. Let me take it up to the screen so you can see it. Let's see. You guys see it? Turned out way good. I'm shocked. Shocked. And at first I thought I missed something right there by the S, by the this, but that's the way the transfer is, so. Super cool. Even Adele can do it. So, yeah, that right there freaked me out because I thought I missed it, but it's the way the transfer is. Oh, Cindy, you're too sweet. Too sweet. Yeah, the got really does pop, especially with the shimmery gold ink. I was debating which color to use. I was going to do black ink, and then I thought, you know, black and gold always looks good together. So I decided to go with the shimmer. I almost used the silver, but I think this pops a little more. So that's why I chose it. Sample kits. What do you mean sample kits? For the case that we have? Is that what you're talking about, Chrissy Lynn? The sample pouches? Or do you carry sample kits around in this little bag with you? Like the Adventure Explore More transfers? Can you believe I did that? I can't believe I did it. I mean, wow. I love it. Trying to decide if I want to do something else. I'm kind of on a roll here. I'm feeling good. So you put an Explore More transfer or one of the little tiny things in there with a bunch of paste and carry it around with you? Is that what you do, Christy Lynn? Oh my gosh, I can't do that right now. I don't even know what surface I'm going to do. So I have a question for you. When I was in, since there's a bunch of designers on here, I'm going to ask this question. I'm going to set this aside. So I'm looking for the perfect, let me grab my frame. And I need to bring on pictures when I do this. Let me show you this frame. So this is a frame I got at Goodwill or one of those places. I think it was Goodwill. And it was so very ugly. And what I did was I took, I can't remember. I think I took chalk paint. I don't remember. It was on Austin a long time ago. It was either paint. No, I think it was our paste. It was either our paste or our ink. And I kind of washed this whole thing. And I'm trying to decide what transfer to put on this. I can go this way. I can go that way. This way or that way. The most important thing is I love this frame. I don't know why. It's so weird. But I love it. it had like some pineapple, coconut, I don't know, it had weird things on it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's the ugliest frame I've ever seen. And I thought, I'm gonna do something with it. So it's like canvas on the back. So I'm trying to figure out the best thing to put on this, because I don't want it to be something that I'm not gonna sell it, because I love this frame so much. What's cool about it is it's wood right here, and then this is like, I don't even think that's canvas, but maybe it is. But the outliers is wood, whatever you call this. The border is wood. Then this is all canvas, but the canvas was framed in, or was it? I don't remember. I can't remember. I think it was white here, and then there was a ugly picture here. So I'm really struggling with what to put on it. So I thought one of the scriptures would be good, but I don't know if I have the right scriptures for it, and I don't know if that's the right thing anyway. So if you have any ideas, braver, stronger, that might be a good one. And then I doubted myself. I thought, why did I paint it black? Well, because I was doing a bunch of chalkboards, so black was what I had. Because now I'm like, ugh, it's so dark and like, I don't know. I need help figuring out what to do with it. So I will look at your comments later and figure out what to do. Oh, the new release. Which one? Which transfer would I put on it? Keep it going, keep thinking with me, because I've been stirring over it for a while. Just like staring at that frame going, what am I gonna do now? Because I don't know what to do with it. Anyway, that's it for me. Let me see, I'm gonna read some more of the comments. Yes, I am pleased with my clutch. Yes. Yeah, I thought, that was the frame I was the most proud of, that I bought at Goodwill and turned around. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Yes, I did it. And it didn't screw up. I didn't even screw it up. So bonus, didn't screw it up. I was actually thinking about doing well-behaved women on the back, or what was the other one? Actually I Can. I might put Actually I Can on the back here. But I'll do that tomorrow after I've heat set this and let it dry quite a while. Because I don't want to screw it up then, after I've done it and it looks good. The chalk area, I don't know. What size is it? Well, there's a B size transfer. So it's probably a C size, I'm guessing. I don't have my measuring tape in here. No, I don't have a measuring tape in here. I'll figure it out and post it later. Oh, thank you, Cindy. Oh gosh. Anyway, you guys have a good night. Yeah. You guys have a good night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I'll probably come on and do the other side of this, and maybe do that board if I can figure out what the heck to put on it. But it needs to be something, and it can't be just, I don't know, it can't be just anything. It's got to be something amazing, because I love it so much. Alrighty, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.